pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hello my loves, my gems, my friends. I hope that you guys are doing really, really well. I am excited because I got another package today. I got the Boxy Premium that we've all been waiting for. I'm just super excited. So here it is. We're going to unbox this today. This is the $35 a month box that gives you 6 to 7 full-size products that are a combination of skincare, beauty, and makeup. This is the Norvina Takeover box. Now, I did choose volume 1, and I have every volume, so there's a very good chance there might be a giveaway somewhere in this video. Okay, this is the prettiest box I've ever seen. Look at this. I love me some purple. Uh-oh, looks like I got a squished box. So it's got the card. On the back of the card has the products that are in this box. It has the prices, the value of it, and then it's got a coupon that says that at AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com, buy one, get one 50% off. Woohoo! I'm liking that. We all love a savings. Okay, so the first thing I see is this translucent powder. Yes. Now, is it actually translucent? Because lately we've been getting translucent powders that are white. And I'm like, this is huge. Huge. And there's, of course, a sticker on it. Let me see. What is their value? $38. And I do have the deep peach and I like it. I know I needed the translucent. So let's see. Is it translucent? Put a little bit in the cup or in the lid. I really need more coffee. More coffee! Okay. Let's see. Let's just see. Yeah, it's a little bit white, but it definitely blends down to where you could barely see anything. Okay, so it is translucent. What other questions would you guys have for me? I'm gonna try to think of them all. All right, let's see what else. Oh, there's a liquid lipstick in here. Ooh. And it's a good shade. It's a shade Malt. It's a brown. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. Let me see. Woo! We're going to swatch her. We're going to wear her. Oh, wow. That's chocolate. But it looks like it's got, like, possibly a reddish undertone. But then again, in this lighting, I can't really tell. Let's see how long it takes for that to dry down. And let's just try a little on. Now this is going to be super dark, so I may have to lighten it with another shade. But I love liquid lips. Lippies. Wow, yeah, that's dark. Definitely dark. Didn't want to put it all over my lips because I already got liquid lip on. Okay, but that's good. I'm excited about that. Okay, then we got the lash. Oh, wait a minute. It didn't tell you what the lippy cost. $20. Alright, next thing I see is the Lash Brag Mascara. And I have one of these and I don't think I've used it. It has a $25 value. Alright, let's open up the Lash Brag Mascara. I have opened tons of mascaras, so I don't really want to open this one just yet. It's nice and heavy packaging, and the packaging is super pretty. Okay. Liquid lipstick, setting powder, mascara. Then we see, oh, the clear brow gel. Ooh. $22. I will put the total value of the box on the screen. Ooh. Ooh. It has one of those stinky chemical scents. Let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah. This is some bomb gel here. I love it because this one is not too sticky either, and the wand gives you the opportunity to separate your lashes. I noticed some of the smaller ones clump them together, and you've got to use this spoolie. So I do like Anastasia's much better than most brands. Then we've got an Anastasia Beverly Hills waterproof cream color. What shade? Jet. That's a black. Woo-wee! Okay, so we can use this for liner or on the lid. Okay, let me see. There it is there. We'll do a little swatch. The liquid lips almost completely dried down. I did put a huge glop on, so. All right, let me go ahead and grab a liner brush. And we're gonna dip it in here. And let's add some liner to see how well it works. It looks like a really creamy. Okay, yeah. And I think I've put too much on the brush, so let me go ahead and wipe some of that off. Okay. Oh yeah. Perfect. This would be really good for doing a wing too for mature eyes. Much easier than your liquid liners. Look at that. And it is black, which I love. Okay, cool. I'm really excited about that too. There's not too many gel liners that work that well. Okay, so now we're getting into the palette. Oh, here she is. I love the way they package these. I want to show you guys what she looks like without being touched. And then if you want some swatches, we can swatch the one I have open because I've decided to give this one away to you guys. Oh, what's on the back? Oh, okay. Yes, that's just the paperwork that comes with the palette to tell you about the pigments. Oh, there's the mirror. There she is, guys. Isn't she gorgeous? I love her. She's beautiful. And she's going home with one of you. All right, guys, let's recap. And I'll do some swatches from another palette. But let me just show you everything that's in here once again. So you got the palette. It has a $60 value. And it's a gorgeous palette. It works really well. I will go ahead and link some of the tutorials I've done with this palette too. Okay, then I got the Lash Brag Mascara. I got the Chocolate Liquid Lip, which this is what it looks like dried down. I got the Clear Brow Gel, which is bomb. I got the Setting Powder in Translucent, which is a little bit white. Then I got the eyeliner gel and jet, and I think that's everything, right? Setting powder. Yes, that is everything. I'll put the total value of the box on the screen. Now, what do you have to do to be a part of this giveaway? In reality, if you would like this video, if you enjoyed it, if you're subscribed to my channel, and you're over 18 or you have a parent's permission, it's fine. I don't care where you live. This is definitely an international giveaway. I don't mind shipping it, especially because there's probably some of you out there who really wanted this palette and couldn't get it for one reason or the other. So I definitely want to bless somebody with it. So definitely comment down below, enter me, and that, because what'll happen is in a couple weeks, and I'll put the end date for this giveaway down in the description box below, I will go ahead and choose a random picker, and I'll put in the words enter me, and it's going to choose one of you. So if you have any questions at all, put it down in the comments below. Let me go ahead and show you how loved my palette is, and we'll do a few swatches for you. Okay, I love purple, and this is one of my favorite shades. It's actually A1. We're going to put it right there. I'm going to show you all the shimmers. D2, E1, which one is this? C3. Oh, I love that color. Yes. C2. Okay. Then we got B2. B3. And A4. Here are all of your shimmers. Let me go ahead and just show you the oranges in here too. E4 and E2. Alright, let's put them down here. Look at how bright and beautiful! Okay guys, so you know what you have to do to be entered in this giveaway. And I just want to take the time to say thank you so much for joining me for this video. I just really love every single one of you guys. I am so excited to get to know you. And I love it because when you're new, if you comment down below, like my community will start talking to you. And I want to welcome Starla too. She just discovered my channel, I believe earlier today. So definitely welcome her. And oh, and Clark, I need to send Clark kisses. He is my doggy friend. And Roz has her dog that he watches videos with her, and when you say his name, he's like, So yeah, I love getting to know you guys, even your pets, definitely. Talk to me down in the comments below. Let me know how you're doing. Tell me your favorite color if you're new. And I will be seeing you guys real soon in another video. Bye!